wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Wow! Hi, kids, how are you? Oh, I didn't see you there. Do you guys see my backpack? Yeah, that's right. I'm getting ready to go back to school. Are you guys getting ready to too? I'm so excited. I really like school. You get to do recess and numbers and letters and all sorts of fun stuff. And I get to make new friends all the time. That's great.
Emergency!
Oh, wow, Noah, what's wrong? What's the emergency?
We forgot our lunchbox.
Oh no, we
And
can't go back to school without our lunch box.
And we forgot our lunch in our boxes.
Oh no!
See, they're empty.
They're empty.
There's yours, and here's mine.
Thank you. Oh, kids, did you hear that? We almost forgot our lunches. We would have been so hungry.
Yeah.
Whoa, thank you, Noah. Thank you. I'm so glad you brought mine. Oh, but look, you made it just in time.
I did.
I have all this stuff out for Play-Doh lunches.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Play-Doh lunches.
Yeah. We get to make our lunch and pack it in our little lunchbox and then put it in our backpacks for school.
I want a sandwich, and I want some potato chips.
Ooh, and I want a banana and I think a sandwich and I might have a cookie. Yeah.
A cookie. I want a cookie now.
Oh yeah, we'll have a cookie too.
And then maybe an apple.
Oh yeah, an apple.
I should take an
good.
apple too.
Ooh yeah, and some cheese on my sandwich maybe.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
I hope that it makes everything we need.
Yeah, let's quickly. I have to look. I think we have to hurry up.
Oh, kids. Well, we better get ready and start making our lunches so
Yeah.
we're not late for our first day of school.
Yeah, maybe you can help us out so we can be quicker. So.
Oh yeah. That'd be a good idea.
Let's get started.
Okay, let's get started. All right. So, what do we need? We've got.
I want tomatoes on my sandwich.
Okay,
And cheese and some turkey. I love turkey.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do ham. I think
Turkey sandwich.
So this is for the cheese.
Yeah.
So that's good. We need that, and then.
Oh, here's for your banana.
Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, and this is bread, and on the other side, it makes. It makes I think like some lettuce and a cookie. It makes a cookie.
Oh, nice.
That's great. Okay.
So let's get started.
Okay, yeah. Let's get started. We've got all our Play-Dohs out too.
Okay.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I think I'm gonna make a banana. So I'm gonna use yellow. I know the middle of the banana is a little bit more white, but I think yellow's fun for it too. Yeah. Wow. I'm so glad that you remembered our lunch, Noah.
Yeah, I saved us, right?
Mm-hmm. We would have been so hungry by the end of the day. Okay. I think I got two now.
I'm making a green apple.
Ooh, a green apple. That sounds delicious.
Yeah, I want a green apple.
I like that you're rolling it out. That's neat. And
Maybe I need more green. Whoops.
I'm doing. Oopsie. Yeah, too much honey. Okay. Now I'm doing a banana. There, that's my banana for lunch. Alright, so I'm gonna take the banana. Oh, put the banana. And let's see. Oh, I want some cherries maybe. Wow, that looks like an awesome apple.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, that looks really neat. great, Noah. I super like it.
There's my apple. Okay, what else am I going to do? Oh, I really wanted to have a sandwich.
Yeah. Oh, and there are my cherries. Do you need the cheese?
Yeah, I'll take some cheese.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have enough yellow?
Probably.
Okay.
So.
Okay. I'm gonna do.
Can you make me a cookie?
Oh yeah, I can make you a cookie. I'm gonna make you a purple one.
Okay.
Okay, a purple cookie. Do you want filling on your cookie, or just the cookie?
Yeah.
part? Okay. Oh wait, do you want frosting on top, or do you want filling inside?
Filling inside.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna smush one side of the cookie. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a big cookie. Wow. Yeah, that's a big cookie, Noah.
Look, my cheese.
Oh wow, your cheese looks great.
Now I need to make some bread.
I made half of your cookie.
Can I have the bread?
Yeah. Oh wait. I have to use it for the rest of your cookie. I'm sorry. You can have it in a minute though.
Okay.
Or you can make some bread out of this one and do some white.
Yeah, but okay.
Or you can have this in 1 minute.
I'll make a.
It's your choice. You can wait 1 minute if you want.
No.
Okay. And smush another side of the cookie. Okay. There we go. Oh, I need to make me a cookie too. There's a cookie. And then I'll make the white filling, yeah? Did we use all the white? Yeah?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. Your filling is gonna be pink.
Okay.
Yep. It's a cherry cookie.
Cherry cookie.
Yeah.
I like that.
Good. I like cherry cookies too. Maybe it's cherry and grape because it's purple on the outside and pink on the inside. Alright. There's your cookie for your lunch.
Oh, that looks so delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, I
like
have
that.
the cheese.
Mm.
Now I need some tomatoes.
Oh no, I don't have almost anything. I better make a cheese or something for me, huh?
Hey, you gotta go quick. School's about to start and we can't be late.
Yeah, I'm gonna do purple cheese. Smush it, and then smush it in the cheese thing. Yep. Oh, look at my cheese.
Whoa.
It's yellow and purple.
That's funny.
That is funny. And, oh, I'm gonna have some ham. I'm gonna have green ham, like green eggs and ham.
That sounds good.
Yep.
Oh, can I have some bread? I'll take some
The
bread.
red?
No, I don't want bread.
What do you want?
I want green.
Do you want the green and I can use red?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let me show you the green ham. Oh,
Oh, I'll take. Can I have half of the size? Here, I'll help you.
okay. Oh, thank you.
I'll give you half of it. Can we
Okay,
share?
yeah, we can share it. Then we have each a half a slice of ham. That's enough.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's perfect. And I want. Is this? What's that one?
Is it tomato?
Tomato? Okay, I want tomato. Yeah. Tomato.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Okay, I need the knife.
Oh no,
first.
actually I still want some potato chips. Which are the potato chips?
I think that. Oh, or that, yeah. Oh, that's a pickle. And there's a tomato. And now I have to make me a cookie real fast. Wow. Making lunch takes a lot of effort, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Quick, we can't be late.
yeah, I know, I'm almost done. I just have to finish my cookie and put on the bread. There's one side of my cookie.
Here's a chip for you.
Thank you for the chip.
You're welcome.
And I'm just gonna do, yeah, I'll just do the other side of my cookie. Or I'll do frosting on top of my cookie instead. I'll do purple frosting.
Do purple frosting.
Yeah. Just there, purple frosting. And can I use this bread or do you need it?
No, I have my own bread.
Okay. And there we go. And, oh.
Okay, I think I'm ready to pack my lunch now. Are you?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. We should show the kids what we did. Ready?
Let's show them. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, time to pack the lunch.
Yeah, gotta put it in the thing.
So kids, what I did is I basically made myself a sandwich with half a slice of ham, a slice of cheese, a slice of tomatoes. So that's gonna be my lunch.
Yeah, and I did half a slice of ham and cheese and tomatoes and then the bread slices.
And you were so kind to make
Oh,
me a
no.
cookie.
I don't think my lid's gonna
then
close
some
if I put
chips?
this in here. Okay, and I have some chips that Noah made me.
Here, I'll give you half of some of my apple slices. Here you go.
Thank you. Hold on 1 second. Sorry, I gotta put the chips in. And some apple slices.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And then...
Do you want half of my banana?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
I don't like banana, so...
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna put my lid on. And I'm done. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
I gotta, hold on, I gotta take the bread out. I'm just taking the insides. The bread's too big for my lunchbox, so I don't need the bread. Okay, hold on.
Okay, why did you make so big?
Well, I just used the...
We gotta go. We gotta go.
I'm going.
We gotta go.
Hold on. And then my cookie on top. And then, hurry. Oh, I'm trying to hurry. I have to hurry. Put the lid on.
Come on.
Okay, the lid's on. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
Bye,
go.
kids.
Bye, kids.
Have fun
Bye.
at school.
Yeah,
Don't forget your
have fun.
lunchbox.
Yeah. Don't forget it. Okay, have a good day.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.